Hi, I'm Ed. Happening soon on Restore and Prepare Ministries channel are our three new segments. The first segment is our new devotional entitled Verse from a Chapter, a verse from a chapter. It's about focusing on the book in the Bible, chapter by chapter. And in each chapter, we will share a devotional message just based on that one verse of that chapter. We have already started with the series in this week's Mid Week Devotion. If you haven't seen it yet, catch it. Number two, our second segment is on prayer. I will set a time to pray a general prayer once a week. The idea here is to build a prayer community amongst us, and all of you are welcome to be part of it. I may pray for specific prayer needs as I'm led, and if any one of you has that need, let's just believe that God will answer that prayer. And perhaps, as the Lord leads, I will invite others who are sensitive to God's voice to also be part of the prayer team with me. And if you have a prayer request, you can share it in either of two ways. You can write it down on the comment section or email me at restoreandprepare@outlook.com. This prayer segment will be uploaded every Monday by 6 a.m. so that you can catch it before you go to work. And thirdly, BOE, our Boost of Encouragement segment. This will be a short message of encouragement, 3 minutes at most. It will be loaded on Shorts, our YouTube channel. I don't know about you, but I feel encouragement is what we all need more and more. And it can really be such a boost when we are having a rotten day. It'll be like a cool drink, quenching our parched throats on a really hot day. Anyways, I hope you'll be encouraged by it. We will upload BOE as and when for now. So these are our new happenings on Rep's YouTube channel. So be sure to catch them. God bless you.